Today's video will be another passion twist tutorial, this time without rubber bands. So if you are interested in this video, please keep on watching. Y'all, I have literally tried every method for passion twists on my hair last night. So I have the rubber band method right here, but I couldn't figure out how to conceal the rubber bands. Even though it's not noticeable, it is something that if you use the rubber band method, you might still see the rubber bands. And then two, I researched and tried doing the no rubber band method, where you twist your hair with the fake hair and then start twisting. That did not go well either. So I'm gonna show y'all what I did. So first I'm just parting off the section that I'll be doing, which I'm doing them pretty big like I did last time because I like the chunky look. My hair is a little bit dry, so I'm using some hair food, and this is just Softy, you know, that old school hair food. And I'm just kind of raking that all the way down. But anyway, so once our hair is moisturized, just kind of brushing that through. You can use any old brush to do so. And then around the perimeter of my hair, I'm making sure that I'm leaving out my baby hairs. That way you're not having to pull them out after you twist your hair. So just leaving my baby hairs out kind of all over, and we'll do those at the end. And I am taking some edge control, and you can use any edge control. I use the African Pride Olive Miracle Silky Smooth Edges, and this one has given me sheen. When you braid your hair, you'll kind of see the product building up, but I don't think it'll be an issue. I'll do an update with you guys on this hair and this specific method after like a week or so in the twist, kind of like how I did my video on faux locks about a year or two ago. So I'm just rubbing that in, and as you can see, it looks nice and shiny, and we want it to look like that. So now this method is the best no rubber band method that I found, and this is how Bree Hall did her method. And so I'll link her video in the description box so y'all could check out the step-by-step. But basically what she did was she braided her hair about like a ½ inch, maybe like this right here. Braided the hair, her own hair, for about a ½ inch, and then you crochet under that. So that little piece of braid is serving as your security, similar to if you were to put a rubber band at the root of your hair. Instead of that, you have the braid. And this is the hair that we're using. I am using 3 strands because I wanted it to be thicker this time. And this hair is the new fashion passion twist by Toyo Tress, and that is the packaging, and it was only like $38 or something like that on Amazon, and it came in 2 days. And it came with a pack of rubber bands and a few jewels, but just throw that away because Tiffany, my girl Tiffany, she did a video as well, and she said those rubber bands like pop. So if you are going to use rubber bands, I would use the standard rubber bands like from the hair store. Also, if you haven't checked out Tiffany's video, make sure you check that out. I'll link that down below as well. But it comes with a crochet hook, so they give you everything you need for this hairstyle besides any products. And so now we're just gonna put the crochet hook underneath the braid, hook on the hair, right? Gonna close it, pull the hair through. So from here, you want to pull everything through that loop. And then we're gonna tighten it together and then separate the 3 on each side and tighten it individually to make sure it is tight around the root. And then what I'm gonna do is begin twisting. And instead of edge control this time, I'm using the Black Caster Miracle Braid Lock and Twist Gel. And Tiffany recommended using this. It's from African Pride as well. And I like it, so I like this product so far because it adds sheen. And it kind of tacks down your flyaways, so you don't have as many flyaways. And as you can see, it's secure at the root without a rubber band. And this has been, like I said, by far the best no rubber band method that I've seen here on YouTube, besides like trying to braid at the root. And the only thing that when it comes to like braiding at the root, braiding the hair in, and then starting to twist, if it's supposed to be twist, I want it to be twist. I don't want to like cheat and do like a little mini braid because I don't know how to attach the hair properly. But you can do that. It does create like a different vibe, a different look, but there's multiple options out there for you. And we're just twisting this tight. Now I will say this did take way longer than the other hair because this hair is way longer. This hair is 24 inches. And I'm almost convinced that it's 24 inches curled. It's not, it's way longer than 24 inches if you stretch it out. Like this is probably already 2 feet. And then when I got to the end, I did put perm rods on the end just because for some reason I feel like that secures the hair so your twists don't unravel. It's less likely, in my opinion, for your twists to unravel if you do perm rods on the end and kind of let that hot water seal the hair together. So yeah, I'm still going, y'all. And I'm not gonna lie, I would get tired and just like finger coil the end and then put it all on the perm rod. That's just me being lazy. But these are so long but so cute. Still going, by the way. So like once I get like right here, I'ma just do like that right there. And then I put all that on the perm rod. And then let it go. There you have your twist. And I'm trying to shoot with, you know, a little daylight since we got some. And now I'm gonna just do it one more time and try to show y'all again. So again, just taking some of that hair food and rubbing it through the hair. Just like that. I'm brushing that through. This way your hair is moisturized because you gotta take care of your hair even when it's in a protective style. And then we're taking some of that edge control. Alright, so there we go. We have our braid. Let me zoom y'all in, hopefully y'all can see. So you have your braid. This is just my hair and it's braided, right? Boom. And then we're gonna take 3 strands of the Passion Twist hair because we want it to be thick. And then you can offset it on the ends. So you could like make it uneven on the ends. It doesn't, I mean, it does matter. So I would make it, you know, staggered on the ends. So then we're gonna open up the latch and we're gonna put it through the base of the braid. And then we're gonna hook the hair on, closing the latch, pulling it through, and then we're gonna take this loop. Oh, make sure you have all the hair. We're gonna take this loop and then we're gonna pull everything through it like that. And then you just pull the passion twist hair, and then you want to separate it and pull each individual piece so it is fully secured. And then once you do that, all you do is begin to twist like so, picking up some of that twist and hold gel and twisting down. Can you see that shine? That's all from the gel. You want to make sure you're doing it tight. And then I'm also adding more of the twist and hold gel as I go down to make sure we have that shine consistent all the way down the twist. These twists just look so juicy and I love it. Am I the only one who do that? Like when you're talking and then something you're about to say is a song, you just kind of go from talking to singing? I do. What I like, I do, I do, I do. What I like, I do, I do. I think you broke. You did a good job. Alright, so I'm at the end. And again, just twisting this, and then I'm gonna put some perm rods on the end and curl them up. So I'm gonna do that real quick, and then, well actually, let me go ahead and lay my baby hair. I'm actually gonna use a different edge control for my edges because I've really been digging this Africa's Best honey and castor edge gel. I've been doing this for my edges literally like the entire month of December. Literally like all month. And you don't need too much, but they're gonna stay all day once you lay them down. Okay, edges are laid. And I'll show y'all what it all looks like. So this is the hair. It comes down like literally to my pelvic bone. And if you stretch it out, it comes like past my bootay. So they are long. And it is full. So y'all can see this is what the back looks like. And I'll probably be between wearing it like this, bust in the middle. Because we love a good like middle part. But majority of the time, I know me, and my favorite is with it flipped over to the side. Even like a deep side. You know what I'm saying? Yes. So I need to go put some earrings on, but this is the finished look. I hope y'all enjoyed me trying out this, you know, no rubber band patch or twist method. Shout out to Tiffany for suggesting this hair, and shout out to Bree for putting us onto a good method for the no rubber band method. So make sure y'all check out their videos. Again, I'll link them in the description box below. And that's all for this video. I love y'all so much. If y'all want some hairstyles with this hair, let me know. And yeah, love y'all. Never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you. Tiffle. Bye guys. I almost forgot the FAQs. I only used about half of this, so I would rather do this than going through edge controls. And then I have 1, 2, I have in total 43 twists, and I used 5.5 packs of hair. So this is a little bit of hair I have left from the 6th pack. There's 7 packs in there. You do not have to use 3 strands per twist. Again, I just wanted mine to be thick, which is why I use 3 strands per twist. Some of them, like around the edges, like this one, I only used 2, and it looks just as similar as one where I used 3. So it's totally up to you, but those are the FAQ. How I wrap my hair at night, I just put it in a big old jumbo bonnet, and I lay my edges down with like a hair tie. And then in the shower, I have a jumbo shower cap, which is just as big as my jumbo bonnet. And that's pretty much all I do as far as maintenance of the hair. And like I said, I'll be trying to lay my little edges down. And I need to put a scarf on. But yes, that's the FAQ. Any other questions, leave them in the comment section. And like I said, I'll do an update video so you guys can get all the answers to your questions.